Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So far not really any change. Bitcoin continues to be in its brutally boring sideways range. Not really any change. I've just made a small change here to the overall wave count, but really only a change to the micro level, because where I had this small B wave already complete here, I actually think that this B wave might still be unfolding. It could still go a little higher, no problem. As long as it stays below 30k, I continue to look for lower, and it would really need to take a break above 30,400 to assume that a low is in place. Above 30,000, the probabilities start to shift, because this is a break above the 78.6 retracement. Overall, I still think we go lower. Bear in mind, if you watched the previous videos, you know that I'm watching for overall upside here on the Bitcoin chart, as long as we're holding the 26,280 level. So this is basically our setup. But short term, I still think, I don't think, it looks like that this downside structure is still fairly incomplete. So it looks like we completed off this wave 2 already an A wave, a B wave, and we're now in the C wave down, which is a 5-wave move. And it looks like that we're currently in the third wave, circle wave 3, which is unfolding because the C wave is an ending diagonal. The third wave, for example, would also unfold as an ABC structure, and we might still be in this B wave. And that's the small change I highlighted, right, that I made, because it just looks too... You know, what's the alternative? The alternative would be that the B wave already topped here, as I said. But then what would this be? A 1-2, another 1-2 setup? Not really. So I don't really believe this. I'm rather looking for this, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, from an analysis point of view, it wouldn't really change the analysis. It wouldn't really change targets here in a major way. So downside still expected. Be aware that a break above 30k would start to shift probabilities to the upside, and it would take a break above 30,400 pretty much here, which is the B wave high, to assume that a low is in if we go up now, because so far, again, the downside structure isn't really complete. So it needs more proof to have an understanding that the low is already in. If we, however, complete this downside structure nicely into the area between 28.3k, which is the 50% FIB level, and the golden ratio around 27,460, if we complete this nicely, then it may not need that much of proof and evidence that the correction is already over, because we have completed this down nicely, and a small 5-wave move to the upside might be complete, okay? So at the moment, no change. We continue to expect price to head down lower. We've got the yellow support area nicely and colorful on the chart, nice and big, and relevant key support for that overall setup, which can be the jump-off point towards the 40k area. That key support is 26,280. So again, it means that as long as we're holding above that level, this setup should continue to play out, and we should, however, in the very short term, come down a little lower. So all eyes really need to be on the 30k level to the upside, and to the downside, I need price to break basically below 28,900 to finally confirm that we are rallying down or breaking down this C wave. Yeah, I know it's boring, but that's how the crypto market works. For weeks, it's just boring sideways action, and then you suddenly get your portfolio doubled or halved in a day, right? When you get these crazy movements. But yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin for now. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.